Many students are usually confused by this type of mathematical problems, but these mathematical problems are the one I really like. They really make me happy. The time I was in high school, then this was one of my favorite topics, the topics from which this question is coming. So dear students, I would like to request you to first pause this video and try it by yourself. Dear student, please take a look at this question. Invest Kenyan shillings 24,000, okay, in an account which pays 16% interest per annum. The interest is compounded quarterly. The interest is compounded quarterly. You need to be very careful here, dear student. This one here is tricky. Some students are usually confused by this one here. You need to be extra careful here. Find the amount after 1.5 years. Okay, let's see. The deposit or the principal is 24,000, okay, Kenyan shilling, okay. The interest is compounded quarterly. What does it mean here? If the interest is compounded quarterly, it means there are 4 periods in a year, okay. There are 4 periods in a year, but we have 1.5 years, okay, 1.5 years. So how many total number of periods do we have? So in a year we have how many periods? We have 4 periods, okay. Don't let yourself be confused by this one, dear student. What about 1.5 years? This is now mixed fraction. To improper fraction, we are going to have 3 out of 2 years. We are going to have how many? We are going to have this multiplied by this, so it will be, we are going to have 3 out of 2 multiplied by 4, okay. We are going to have 6 periods. So the total number of periods is 6 periods. Get the rate per period. How do we get the rate per period? Remember, this one here is the rate of 1 year, okay. And how many periods are in a year? We have 4 periods in a year. So 4 periods is equivalent to 16%. What about per period now? What about 1 period? We are going to have what? We are going to have 16 out of 4. That means 4%. So 4 per period. We are going to use 4% per period. Okay, we are going to use this one. Alright. Now, after knowing this one here, we are going to apply the formula. We are asked to calculate the amount after this number of years. How do we get the amount? So the amount here is equal to principal, open bracket, 1 plus r out of 100 raised to power n. So guys, you need to know this formula. This is the formula we are going to use. A is amount, P is principal or deposit, the amount invested, 1 plus r is rate per period, n is total number of. Our principal is what? Principal is 24,000. Open bracket, 1 plus r is what? Raised per period, 4 out of 100, right? Raised to power n, which is total number of periods, okay? Now we are going to have what? Take your calculator and calculate this. When you work out this one, when you take a calculator, you will have what? You will have 3367.66. This is now in Kenyan shilling. You will get this one here. This is the amount after 1.5 years if the compounding is done quarterly, okay. And that's how simple it is, guys. It's really very simple, but it confuses many students. Question here is so simple, but it confuses many students. That's how simple it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time watching my video, I would like to request you to consider following me so that you can see more of my videos in future. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, and bye bye for now. Thank you.